After the season, a meadow or pasture often requires regeneration. Molehills, uneven areas, thatch, dead plant residues and patches where grass tillering is weaker may appear on the surface. If such grassland is not properly regenerated, plants face more difficult growing conditions. Water infiltration into the soil is reduced, air movement into the root zone is limited, and young plants have a lower chance of proper development. The solution to these problems is the PROGRASSER, a grassland regeneration implement by Awemak, designed for the maintenance of meadows, pastures, and grassland areas. This machine levels the surface, removes thatch and dead vegetation, loosens the upper soil layer, and improves conditions for grass regrowth in a single pass. The first working element is the leveling board. Its task is to spread molehills, level the surface, and prepare the grassland for the following tine sections. As an option, the leveling board can be hydraulically adjusted. This allows the operator to quickly adapt its working intensity to the condition of the meadow or pasture without manual adjustment. Behind the leveling board, 3 rows of 12mm harrow tines are used. These are responsible for mechanically removing the accumulated plant layer, clearing thatch, and stimulating the surface for regeneration. The angle of attack of the tines can be adjusted. As a result, the machine can be set more gently for regular maintenance or more aggressively when the grassland requires more intensive renovation. Another important component is the prism roller. This machine is equipped with a roller with a diameter of 450 millimeters. The prism roller reconsolidates the surface after tine operation, stabilizes the working depth, and supports soil firming in the root zone. During overseeding, it performs another important function. It improves seed-to-soil contact, increasing the chance of uniform emergence. Hydraulic roller adjustment is included as standard, allowing the operator to conveniently set its position and adapt the machine to field conditions. The PROGRASSER can be equipped with a platform for a pneumatic seeder, as well as with the seeder itself. In this configuration, the machine not only regenerates grassland, but can also apply fertilizer, overseed grass, or sow cover crop mixture at the same time. This provides a major time saving. One pass allows the surface to be leveled, thatch to be removed, the soil to be stimulated, and new seed material to be introduced where the meadow or pasture needs it. For this reason, the PROGRASSER is particularly well suited to dairy and livestock farms, where the quality of grassland directly affects forage quality. The result is a level surface, reduced accumulation of dead plant material, improved air and water conditions in the upper soil layer, and more effective sward density after overseeding. The PROGRASSER by Awemak is a grassland regeneration implement that combines leveling, harrowing, aeration, rolling, and the option of overseeding in a single pass. If you want to improve the condition of your grassland and configure the machine to your working conditions, contact Awemak. We will prepare a solution tailored to your farm.